right. That's what I'm talking about. A little snow action. Is it not open? I thought I hit unlock twice already. Good morning, snow. Okay, guys, so what was your favorite part of the weekend, River?
The bounce house.
The bounce house? Maddie's birthday party?
Yeah.
What about you, Sawyer?
Most of it.
What?
Most of it.
Most of it?
Like Jack's warehouse, Maddie's birthday party. Eating lunch. You didn't go. Eating lunch where?
Bowling?
And bowling.
Yeah, I think bowling was my favorite part of the weekend. Uh-huh.
I'm surprised you did it without hurting your shoulder.
It hurt a little bit the first time. I didn't,
My favorite part was everything.
That's what I like to hear, River. What? You don't like snow?
No,
Why not?
not anymore.
Snow problem.
Yeah, right. No problem.
Okay, heading out to Griffith to film the Veterans Day. Memorial Day? Veterans Day? I can never remember the two. Oh, hold on. There you go. Kids made a mess. Where to, ma'am?
Driving Miss Ross.
Yes, home please.
Oh, please, yes.
Okay, so I just put it on the table instead, so it could be higher. Hi. What's up, Rick? So lots of things going on here. How are there this many people? I got my camera up there, and people are continuing to file in despite the blizzard-like conditions. It's a little, what's the word?
I straightened my hair today.
It's chilly.
Ooh, it's chilly tonight.
Chilly? Chilly? Okay. Thanks for having me come out on such short notice. I tried to enter that this morning, like...
I asked you yesterday, but I didn't want to bring it up again.
You asked me?
Yes.
What did you say?
I was like, hey, do you want to come to Veterans Day service once in a while?
And what did I
you
say
were like,
all
what
morning?
time is it at?
And all morning I was like, what do you need? What do you need from me? So, slightly blizzardy out today. Slightly blizzardy. As soon as these walls come down on out, up, when they go up. Slightly different weather than I'm used to at Central Park. It is a little chilly as well as blizzarding. Go grab some lunch and then head back to work. So I got this egg drop soup and they didn't even put in the things. What are the things?
Are they chives or green onions?
I don't know.
Green onions.
Is it?
They're like chocolate.
They're so good. I like the crunch. They crunch.
Like oniony.
They crunch. And oniony taste? Delicious. Love me some oniony taste. Thank you for lunch, Michelle.
Thank you for lunch,
You all right? Okay, so I guess I'm gonna head back to work.
my puss face.
Holding piss.
Can you see my spilled juice on here?
It is a bit icy out here. A little bit icy. Going to the grocery store to pick up stuff to make chili and then heading home. Got some cleaning to do. I have to start exporting the raw footage for this wedding. It's going to take a long time, so I didn't want to start doing that here. End up being here for an extra 2 hours. So that's it, on my way home. Running this bad boy through the car wash. Got the essentials for dinner. Some snacks, some beer. Going to grab some of that fake milk stuff that Shell likes. Well, I feel like this was an accident, but I can't confirm. Oh, they're really close. I don't see any accident stuff. Well, there's a rock right next to them. Probably an accident. We've spent 5 minutes debating the pronunciation of pecan.
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 Butter pecan.
Pecan.
That's a good way of saying it to figure it out. Butter pecan ice cream. You don't say butter pecan ice cream.
Or butter
You say
pecan.
pecan.
Yeah, pecan.
Yeah, so it's pecan instead of pecan.
This is exhausting.
I'm gonna count to 3.
And then I'm going to drink this beer. 2.
2.
What are you going to do, Jack?
Stop.
Fine, I'll drink the beer. You ever have such a nice evening you don't even feel the need to film shit? Yeah, that's everybody in the world except for me. But tonight, I just didn't feel like filming anything. Just did some work, hung out, watched some Lost, ate some chili, and I'm gonna go to bed.
All these memories in my mind, my mind, my mind, my mind, my mind, my mind. I'm still a secret lemonade drinker.